Story sidelined BCCI President N. Srinivasan replied to the allegations made against him in the Supreme Court today. His lawyers argued that all allegations of a cover-up are false. The ICC chief insists he acted with speed when he got to know about the allegations against his son-in-law, Gurunath Mayappan, and that he initiated a probe as soon as he found out about those allegations. The Supreme Court has meanwhile asked the BCCI to provide the minutes of the working committee meeting during which the probe panel was set up.
मैं ये कहना चाहता हूं कि बीइंग ए पिटिशनर मैं हर्ट हो रहा हूं। बीइंग ए पिटिशनर मुझे ये समझ में नहीं आ रही है कि जब एक जांच समिति ने एक जांच रिपोर्ट बना के कोर्ट के सामने रख दिया है तो उस जांच समिति को सामने आने में बीसीसीआई और एन श्रीनिवासन क्यों उस पे एतराज जता रहे हैं, क्योंकि उस रिपोर्ट से बहुत कुछ चीज सामने आ जाएंगी जो कॉन्फ्लिक्ट ऑफ इंटरेस्ट का मामला हो या कवर अप द करप्शन का मामला हो। और आज जो भी डॉक्यूमेंट्स बीसीसीआई के तरफ से कोर्ट को दिए जा रहे थे वो मैन्युफैक्चर्ड डॉक्यूमेंट्स थे। मैं पिटिशनर होने के साथ दावे के साथ ये कह सकता हूं।
Well, our report is before the Honorable Supreme Court. It is entirely dependent upon what final judgment or the order Supreme Court gives. So I think it will be much better if we wait for it rather than speculate just now.
All right, in tracking that story for us is my colleague Rika Roy, who now joins us from the capital. Rika, Srinivasan may say he's done nothing wrong and the time has come for him to be reinstated as BCCI president, but certainly it's not going to be all that easy for him given the stand the Supreme Court has taken so far. The court now wants to look at the minutes of the meeting where he says a pro panel was set up.
Well, the principal allegation against N. Srinivasan is that of conflict of interest. So the petitioner over this period of time has produced several documents, several instances of conflict of interest, which Mr. Srinivasan will get abundant time to argue. The court in fact today said that he will have all the time to argue his case. The arguments for Mr. Srinivasan are being done by his counsel Kapil Sibal, and they began today by Sibal saying that he acted with speed. His client acted with speed the moment he got to know that his son-in-law was betting, and that happened on 24th of May 2013 when Gurunath Mayappan was arrested by Bombay police, and that's how the arguments began. And then he went on to show how he communicated with the BCCI members saying that this is what's happening and I have to keep myself away when it is being probed. He also said that he told them about forming a probe committee and probing the entire affair, and he sought help from Arun Jaitley in that regard, and Arun Jaitley said that a two-member committee should be formed, two-member independent. In fact, a three-member committee was initially asked to be made. Sanjay Jagdale later resigned from his post as BCCI secretary. So they finally went on with a two-member bench. Now the judges basically want the meetings of that, minutes of that meeting during which they had decided to form the two-member panel to see if Mr. Srinivasan was involved in making the panel or not.